now at work. Manual computer work is resuming fully. Now at work. Inbox me in case you need any. I'm always available for any faults. Any fault is always available. Tackle it the way you want it and give you a fruitful work. Trying to fix and reload the laptop that got virus, a laptop that virus got into it, and trying to get a new addicts into it. I'm getting it though. So I'm trying to finish the work now and make it successful and give it to the customer to make everything go well. So I'm more counting on you guys. Really counting on you guys. So the patronage be accepted anyhow, anytime. I'm always available. Let the guy go, you know. So the patronage is needed. You know, we need each other to do ourselves and everything. Repairs of printers, not only laptops, not only laptops. I do printer, refill your cartridge at an affordable price, and everything goes well. Like you're my mirror, my mirror staring back at me. I couldn't get any bigger. Beside of me. And now it's clear as this promise that we're making to reflection into one. 'Cause it's like you're my mirror, my mirror staring back at me. So your patronage will be needed. I'll be looking towards you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please can you click the subscribe button and help me like the YouTube channel. Let's keep growing day by day. We need each other to grow. We need one another to grow. Thank you for continuing, guys.